everybody, on this very blustery, horribly rainy day, I am having a new makeup day today, keeping it real as ever. You know what I'm like. If you don't need to look glam, why bother? So a lot of people have asked for a tour of my summer house that is Delilah. So come on in and you can have a good nosy round with me. So this is the outside of my summer house, which is called Delilah, funnily enough. This is fake grass on here. I've only just put it down at the weekend and it was on a roll, so I'm just waiting for it to settle a bit before I attach it properly. So if we come around the outside, it's got shutters. Yeah, so that's the outside. The back's obviously the same colour. Yeah, so let's go on in. I don't know how dark it'll be because I've got my shutters shut. So this tends to be my little corner. It's my favourite corner. So let me point out a few of this Kay bought me, who's one of the admin on the group, and she's also one of my best friends, bought me this because it's not a shed, it's a summer house. The lovely Julie, who's also one of my best friends, bought me this back from Skiathos on her holidays last year. This came in a little box of crochet, and this little Bambi mirror is Primark. This duck was from a little box of crochet, and his name is Colin. I have got some others I need to put in here as well. I have got, let me come back a bit. So there's a cake stand that's got my yarn cakes on, a teapot. Now the girls from Bristol, oh God, bought me this teapot. Is he in there? Yeah, he's in there if you can see, because I love Alice in Wonderland. I know this is a Bambi one, but they pretended that this was the Dormouse from Alice in Wonderland, so he lives in there forever and ever and ever. I love vintage things, and this teapot is just beautiful. My granny square cushion, which is really easy to make. I will write it up. My radio, my light box, and some more Alice in Wonderland stuff on there because I'm a complete Disney nut. And then I just have a tray and my crochet market bag here and just some drawers. Over here is the rubbish bin, so don't look at that. Then this was mine from when I was really little. I was desperate for a bookcase when I was younger because all I did was read and read and read and read some more. And my grandma and granddad bought it for me. And when I moved out of home, I took it with me, and then you can see it's chipped a bit there. I've repainted it because it was like this colour. But as you can see, it's chipped a bit because I keep knocking it. So I need to give it a repaint, and it's just got some wallpaper in the background. And there's my wall winder, my Alice mug that the girls bought me, my A for Alexandra, and then Kay, I need to give you those tonight because these are yours. Some more little boxes of crochet and just a few bits and bobs, my shawls in there. I need to take that out actually. A tin of thread, a baby bonnet that I've made, and a baby hat, and some baby mittens. I need a baby to give them to. And then over here, sorry, I'm doing this really badly, this is just a cupboard, and I don't even know what's in here actually. Oh yeah, just random. My cake, that was my birthday from the girls. A fan, because it gets boiling, some sewing patterns, and some yarn and mini ears. And then if I spin round, so I have got these little watering cans on here which light up. They are very cute, and I have some ice creams hanging from the corner. Obviously the shutters are shut. I bought these in Boots a couple of years ago in the sale. after Christmas and they were really cheap, and I've never put them up anywhere, so I put them up in here. So there's the door there, and I have this table, and this table, let me come around here because the light would be better. And my Mac and my mug with all my crochet hooks. So this table is really good because you can fold it down. And oh yeah, there's my poster, my crochet tribe poster, and this was a wicker chair, I just sprayed it. And so yeah, this table has got these in, which is, look, it's either fabric or, I've got so many scissors, it's unbelievable. So it's the same on the other side, there's another 3 drawers, and you can put the table down as well, which is really handy. These I got in Home Bargains ages ago. I think they were really cheap. I think they're like 50p or something ridiculous, and they look very Kafkistan and vintage. And my Sunburst Granny Square and the tutorial for that is going up tomorrow. So this is just normally where you will find me sitting, hiding, crocheting and making videos. So now you know what Delilah looks like. Let's stand over here so you can get the full 360-degree tour. So yeah, this is she, and it is so cozy in here. It's really insulated, and because I wanted to use it in the winter, so it's all really, really insulated, and I have a heater if needed. So yes, there you go. That is Delilah. So that was the guided tour of my very lovely Delilah, who I love to bits. There is a story of why she's called Delilah. When we were on holiday, not this Easter just gone, the Easter before, we went to Orlando for 2 weeks. And every time we were coming back from Disney, there was a phone-in show on the radio, and the lady's name was Delilah, and it just like cracked us up every time, like the stuff that people were phoning in with. It's but like a problem thing, or, you know, life solutions kind of thing. So that is why she's called Delilah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you tomorrow for the Sunburst Granny Square tutorial that is already recorded, already uploaded, and is ready to go. It's scheduled for 7 AM UK time tomorrow morning. Take care, happy crocheting, bye.